Alex yan. Tingnan ko na. Dali, mata. Okay. Sige yun. Sige. Ano kayo? Wala pa kami kinaka. And the vision that was started in my brain will remain within the sound. When the streets are walked alone, I don't think of the hollow of the dreaming man. I set my corner to the rolling down. When my eyes are stopped by the light of neon light.
Tapos si Kalon. Tapos si Dani. Sulat kay Dani si Betty. Tapos si Loren. Yan kay Marate. Sige mo.
Magkano inabot ko sa'yo? Teka, mag-play. Sa'yo, ito yung...
Ha? Hindi, ako na yung 200. Ako na yun.
Teka, papatayin ko muna yung telecast natin.
Ang nakabon. Naku, yung
Yung mga dala.
Advent na ambon! Ay, hintay tayo.
Oo, kasama natin yan. May gamit pa tayo sa likod ha, tsaka... Doy, mauna ka doon.
Saan na? Ayun, nandun. Sizing! Lola! Naiwan! Naiwan! Kakatawa!
Oh. Welcome home.
Lola.
Ayan, matugang.
Take me to your heart, show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are right, every wish is ours tonight, my love. Pity those who wait, trusting love to fade, finding out too late that they've lost it, never letting go. They will never know the ways of love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. Got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. I may never know why I need you so. All I need to know is this feeling. Handle it with care. We were born to share this dream, my love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. You got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. You got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Tell me how two people find each other.
Gaya parang yung boss niya, hindi pa nakain, ano? Pero yung boss niya, nakakasampung tubo na, patapos na. Ah! Ay, ka na. Paano eh? Gracie! O, ito na po. Teka. Gracie, takasan mo na. Tingnan mo dyan. Gaya.
Ikaw pala yung gusto mo naman lagi sumakit. Hindi ba to, boy? Boy, Ma, baso.
Oo ha?
Sa Lusing, hindi kayo mabubusog niyang ganyang ginagawa. Nanginginig na yung kamay, ayaw pang tumingin.
Sisili ka pala.
Huwag lang. Si Janjan. Janjan!
Kaya talaga automatic yung focus.
Hindi, pag manual. Ayun o, AF. Ito kuya, tuturo ko sa'yo.
Wala oh.
Yung lens niya, dapat gagalaw-galaw na ito. Ayun eh. Supposed to be, pagka nag-focus siya. Oh, pwede. Pag naintindihan mo out of focus, hinahanap niya yung talagang focus, iba yung manual. Ano talagang snaps?
Chloe, di pinaglalaruan niya.
Asan yung malit na ginagamit mo?
Wala na yun.
Ay,
Wala na. Sana.
Piso.
Hindi kaya mawalan niya.
Ha?
Palit na sa bayan.
No, mamaya na yung TV.
O mamaya, sige mamaya. O pag kumakanta na ha.
Kay Rosalinda, yung kanta ni Rosalinda.
Dali.
Rosaline. Parang dyan ako. Diba? Makakalimutan.
Bibigyan ka kanina eh. Tapos
Ayos ba? Alam mo, ilang beses na ako natulak niya sa iyo. Bakit